My name is Mai. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnam and I live in Idaho City. My hobby is singing. I have children. Me and young cats play basketball. Push he catch play the piano and me can cook. Push he catch throw. I also train pets, a real fish and two cats. My real fish can swim. Puss is catch flies. The catch can clean. Puss they catch flies. I can ride a bike and I catch play the guitar. Bye.